In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Notion. This process will guide you through creating a client relationship management system within Notion, a powerful tool for managing all your contacts and interactions. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just getting started, this setup will enhance your organizational skills and help streamline your communication processes. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Notion's website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. At the top right corner of the website, you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to select Google as your login method, assuming you've set up your Notion account with your Google credentials. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the account linked to your Notion workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Notion dashboard. Here, find and click on the Marketplace option. The Marketplace is a treasure trove of templates and tools that you can use to enhance your Notion experience. In the search bar, type in CRM templates. Beginning with a predefined template is an excellent way to build your CRM system, as it provides you with a structured foundation that you can customize according to your needs. After you've searched for CRM templates, look for the one labeled Client List, CRM. This is the template that we'll be using. Click on it to explore its details. Once you're satisfied with what you see, click on the Add button. Give it a moment. Poking through all the template's features might take a few seconds as it loads into your Notion workspace. Once the template is added, take a minute to click on See Template to walk through what the CRM looks like and how it functions. To start adding your own information, click on New Contact. This option allows you to input details such as names, contact information, and any notes pertinent to the client. This template is quite adaptable, giving you the freedom to modify existing elements or add new ones as your business grows and changes. You can also customize different aspects of the CRM to better fit your business requirements. For instance, under Contact Details, you can edit the status options to align with your sales process. Similarly, the priority settings can be adjusted to highlight which contacts or clients need urgent attention. Finally, remember that you have the control to modify any element within the template, or add completely new sections to ensure your CRM is as robust and intuitive as possible. And there you have it, a fully functional CRM within Notion, ready to manage your client interactions in an organized and efficient manner. We've just gone through the steps to set up the essential structure, but remember, the beauty of Notion lies in its flexibility. Keep experimenting with other features and customize the CRM to suit your evolving business needs. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.